Welcome back. It's time now for your midday sports report.
West Indies Test captain Rawson Chase has admitted that he...
I think I had a tough series, very below par for my standards. And I didn't really lead from the front on the field. I thought that leading in terms of words and encouraging and inspiring the team, that was all good and well, but in terms of going out there and producing for the team and letting the team have someone to look up to as a leader, I thought that I let myself down and the team down as well.
Pace bowler Jofra Archer has been ruled out of the remainder of the Ashes series in another huge blow to England and tour of Australia. The 30-year-old, who returned to Test cricket after a 4-year absence in July, has suffered a side strain. He will miss the 4th Test in Melbourne on Boxing Day and the 5th Test in Sydney in the new year. Archer's place in England's 11 is taken by Gus Atkinson, while Ollie Pope has been dropped and replaced by Jacob Bethel. Archer has been England's standout performer in a desperate series in which they are 3-0 down after 3 matches. The Sussex man has taken 9 wickets and also registered his maiden half-century in the 3rd Test in Adelaide. Archer took a 5 for 53 in Australia's first innings in Adelaide, his first 5-wicket haul in Test cricket for 6 years. And the president of the Jamaica Basketball Association, Paulton Gordon, is hoping the recent shifting of the non-restricted age by the world governing body FIBA is a first step in revamping the eligibility criteria, which has sidelined a number of NBA stars looking to represent the country. Players will now be considered non-restricted if they secure a passport from the country they are looking to represent before turning 18, an increase from the previous cutoff age of 16. The restriction has prevented players such as Justin Champagnie of the Washington Wizards, Julian Champagnie of San Antonio Spurs, twins Amen Thompson from Houston Rockets and Ansar Thompson from Detroit Pistons from representing the island, though having Jamaican parentage. According to Gordon, it is unfair to players who have genuine roots in the country that they are looking to represent.
The only shift which happened 2 weeks ago was 16 to 18. So we continue to work to see what happens. Because there are some of these guys, for example, the Thompson twins, they have a home in Westmoreland. They come every year. So they're tied to the Jamaican economy and also our culture. Devin Vassell, he's pretty much here. They're looking for property in Western Jamaica. So we have a lot of these guys that it's not just by name, but they are integrated to what we want to do, and they are keen to support the development of basketball in Jamaica.
Okay. All right, sir. Amen. FIBA has also clarified that the new passport eligibility rule will only apply to new cases and will not reopen past eligibility decisions. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Anthony Lugg. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.